Alrighty, we're going to install a smoke detector. We're going to turn a junction box into a smoke detector box. Here in the country I was born in, we use a 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps, 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps. Black is live, white is neutral, the bare or the green is the ground. Red and blue are also live colors. However, you may find white live in a switch loop or a 220, 240 volt circuit where the appliance does not require a neutral. So I will show you how to change a junction box into a useful smoke detector box. We're in a very nice apartment complex. There's no smoke detector in the cellar, so we're going to put one up. Alrighty, so here we have our junction box. We have a black and our white. We have our pre-tinned wires on our smoke detector lead. Again, the black is live, the white is neutral, and this red is live, but it's not carrying current at all times. It's only a trip wire, but since we're wiring it for single station, we keep this rubber cap on it. So first, we will take our wire nut off the white wire here. We'll get our copper lined up at the bottom and our insulation lined up at the top. See how they're even? We'll take our wire nut and we'll just twist it on here. Make sure it grabs all three conductors. Make sure it's tight. Now look, make sure your insulation is going down into the top of the wire nut. Which it is. So I'll just give it one more turn, fold it up into our box. Now we'll take our black wire, take our wire nut off, get our insulation even at the top and our copper even at the bottom. And we'll put our, see how they're even, the insulation's even at the top and the copper strands are even at the bottom. We'll just take our wire nut and make sure insulation's going into the bottom, which it is. And I'll just twist it on there nice and tight. Now look, my insulation is up into the bottom of the wire nut. Just make sure it's tight. Push it up into our box. Make sure no wires are going to be pinched, and we'll stick our red wire up here. We keep that little boot on there because we're wiring it single station. Okay, so we had our take our cover off of this, and we'll just set our base plate in here. It's got the knockouts for 4-inch box and 3-inch box. We're going to use the 4-inch. So just line it up like that. And we'll make sure it's in all the way over here. Oops, this is the side that it's got to be, the middle piece is broken off, so we'll tighten it up like that. This is a used plate. Okay, that one's good. That's in the middle and that's good. So now we have a nice solid fit here. So here is the back of the detector. You can read the back if you can see it. You can just pause the video and then we'll see these little tabs here. See how they squeeze in? So you squeeze those in. Line them up. Okay, so I squeeze these little tabs in, line our plugs up. Hear it pop in. See the little tabs sprung out on the inside of that hole. I'll just give it one more push to make sure. And then you just push the wires into the hole like this. Make sure they all go in all the way. And we'll look for the key here to, there's our little notch right there. We just put it over our notch, give it a little turn, and we are all set. Alrighty, so that is how to turn a junction box into a single station smoke detector. Peace. Thanks for watching. Here in the country I was born in, cellars have to have a smoke detector, hallways have to have a smoke detector, in every apartment complex and in every home and business. In apartment buildings, the ones in the hallways have to be interconnected with the one in the cellar. But there is another one over here on the other end of the cellar that is interconnected with the rest of the building. And you got to have a smoke detector in all the bedrooms. And you have to have a smoke detector wherever you might want to have the codes go over it with you when you do your construction, and they will tell you where to put your smoke detectors and which ones have to be interconnected. But the ones in the hallway of an apartment building, they all have to be interconnected. Peace. Thanks for watching.